Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys are reading the title. We're going to be talking about our good old friend Pepe, of course. Shout out to the Pepe community. If you want to see more of these daily updates, which of course I've been giving you guys for pretty much almost 2 years, you do want to, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, to keep me, knowing that you guys are enjoying these updates. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe, because I'm sure a lot of people want to know what in the world is going on with the crypto markets, especially meme coin market. Now, looking at the broader market, as far as Monday is concerned, you are seeing a retracement. It was an inauguration day. Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor pullback because no specific crypto mentions, but we need to take a look at the bigger picture, as I've mentioned thousands of times in my other XRP HBAR updates. If you follow my channel on a regular day-to-day basis, you need to realize how big of a deal this really is in terms of a complete shift that we're seeing happening for the government, and how it's going to have a positive impact on the crypto markets, because the people that are being elected are pro-crypto individuals. But now if you're looking over the last 1 hour, you're seeing market kind of showing some strength going into Tuesday morning. Looking at the price of Pepe, 1523. 4 zeros in front of the price, down 3% in USD comparative, down 2.3% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market valuation at about $6.4 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about $2.4 billion. And looking at the holder count here, 387,313 holders. So despite the price being down, people are accumulating Pepe, and this tells you everything you need to know, in terms of, the holder count. The on-chain metrics, speaks for themselves, and you are seeing holders accumulating, and of course, holders increasing for Pepe, which of course is nice to see. But moving forward, we're really going to take a look at what's happening with the broader meme coin market. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking across the board here, guys, you can see this for yourself. We have seen a massive, and I repeat, a massive bloodbath over the course of the last 7 days for the broader market. Even though Donald Trump has been elected, before today, even you did see the market completely going down. The reason why this is the case, and again, I've mentioned this in my XRP update, I've mentioned this in my other updates, you are seeing liquidity sucked out of the markets, because we have seen two of the biggest launches in the crypto history, literally two of the biggest launches in the crypto history, which was of course, official Donald Trump coin, and, the Melania coin, which of course have shattered records. And, the Melania coin is below $1 billion valuation, which of course is crazy to think about right now. $3.95 is the price, which again, I'm not surprised. I don't think, this overall narrative is going to, play out as long as, people are anticipating. I think that your run is over. Maybe if it runs, who cares? But I don't think, this thing goes up, and nor do I have any of these coins. But, Trump coin, this right here shattered records, and after having a bloodbath of about a 50% drop, it actually went up to the top second spot. It was able to reclaim back above Shiba Inu spot, which of course is crazy to think about. But again, it shouldn't really be a surprise. This is Donald Trump. We're talking the president of the United States, and we're talking about a meme coin launching an official one too. This is insane to think about. $6.6 billion in terms of valuation, and it was able to flip Pepe. And I know the Pepe community does not want to see this, but what can we do, right? There's not much you could do here. And what happened really was not just within the meme coin market. When this coin specifically launched, you saw a whole bloodbath for the crypto space. You saw people FOMOing into this coin, and some people made millions of dollars. Believe it or not, yes, you've heard that correct. Some people literally retired. It was insane. It's able to reclaim up to the third spot. And to be quite frank with you, I know some people are not happy about the launch of this, but this could honestly, even kind of battle it out with Dogecoin, and would not even surprise me. But anyhow, if you're looking at Pepe, still holding its ground, to be honest, still a 6.4 billion valuation, not a small valuation by any means. And yes, I know people want to see that, flipping happening. People want to see Pepe taken over, but could we now see maybe if this really does become a reality where Trump coin does take over Dogecoin, could we see Pepe remaining at 3? Because I don't see Dogecoin getting taken over. So Shiba Inu spot, regardless, is going to get flipped. Now, it happened with Trump coin, even though we wanted to see it with Pepe, but I think Pepe is always, on its way to, the main mission, which of course is to take over Shiba Inu spot. So now it kind of makes sense, why we have seen a major, retracement for the broader market. It was due to that specific factor. But, in my opinion, I'm taking a look at it as a sale for a lot of coins across the board. Obviously, you need to do your due diligence. You need to do your research. You need to understand what you're getting yourself into. But I think it's a great opportunity for, accumulation. And I do believe, I'm very confident that this dip that we're seeing is not going to last too long. If you're looking at Pepe right now, so, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, dominance, of course, has skyrocketed. Bitcoin has seen a retracement over the course of the last 2 days, which, of course, is going to obviously have an impact on the broader market. But if you're looking at Pepe here, Pepe's price has retested, guess what? Believe it or not, guys, December 20th wick. Almost. Pretty much, not exactly, but almost. No one could have even thought that, we're going to get to that spot again. But here we are, Bitcoin is still sitting at a 6-figure price point, but, due to Trump coin and also, the dominance going up the way it did, this is having a major impact on the price of Pepe. And, you're looking at the Pepe right now, obviously below our, all-time high from May. We're obviously having our price supported by some significant amount of support. Obviously, if this does not hold, potential of us falling down to the 1305 is still on the table. And speaking about 1305, that is a move of about 13.18% from where we currently are. And again, that could be a possibility if we lose this support. But that would require Bitcoin to drop below, in my opinion, below below the 99.7. If that happens, potential target. But I do believe that, Pepe's overall sentiment is not over by any means. I think Pepe is going to recover quite fast. The overall presence that it has not gone anywhere. Yes, initially we did see a major, retracement, which not a lot of people are excited about, but I do believe, Pepe is going to, bounce back yet again. So, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I think obviously this key resistance is, continuously playing out as an important key resistance. And at this point, you guys kind of realize why it's so important for the price to, get back above here. But, one step at a time, you cannot ignore what happens to Bitcoin. This is why we talk about Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. This is why we talk about dominance on a day-to-day basis. Some people don't like it, but now you know why it's so important. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.